Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about improper intervals. When we put number 0 on here, we have 1 divided by number 0. So in this one, I need to use about the limit. So I will put 1 over 2 go outside. The interpretation of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of S. And then we put the bounds from A to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, 8 gone here. Fn number 1, you got number 0. 8 approach to number 0 on the right. On the right of number 0, we have negative infinity with negative in here. So we have positive infinity. So that is about divergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.